All right, fam. One quick little thing I want to talk about before we jump into the hacks and the deals is you'll be seeing soon on Home Depot, probably already noticed that they have eliminated the scheduled delivery option, giving you that special store pricing. That's gone. I'm pretty sure there's another way to do this. If you do know, leave it in the comments down below, but that's neither here nor there. I know a bunch of us missed out on that high-speed ratchet through cancellations at Northern Tool, a whole bunch of other stuff and whatnot went on, but we have a new kit available to us today, the Gen 4 impact driver with the high-speed ratchet, 2 tiny I don't care about them batteries for $249, but you guys know how we do the hacks. Free gift with purchase. Go ahead and select that. You're going to select the very, very overpriced 2.5 high output battery, add it to the cart, and it'll give the following price breakdown. Wow, it really has been a while since I've done one of these. $59.97 for the 2.5 upon return, and $189.03 for the high-speed ratchet and impact driver kit. That's not bad. That's marginally better than our holiday pricing. Both of those were, if you found them, $99 a piece with the battery. So link for this will be in the description down below. Now, if you guys head on over to Woot, they are having one crazy, pretty darn good sale. Yes, I know that's the old brushless reset, but it still bangs. It's not terrible. The SDS hammer drill down to $130, the orbital sander $85. Not bad, pretty damn good if I say so myself. The 1/2-inch impact wrench, I don't think these are the atomics, by the way. I think they're the other ones, but they still are solid AF. $119 for those. And my personal favorite on this entire page, the 12-volt oscillating tool, $73. If you guys are Prime members, you get them free shipped anyway. Free shipping. So that's something cool there. And links will be in the description down below. I'm going to keep looking, and I'll post any other links that I find. That's all I got for you guys today. Have at it. Good luck.